Hi guys, in this video we'll learn about how to add data flow to the existing data table using ArrayRow property in Uipath Studio. The main objective of this project is we will add raw data to the existing table using ArrayRow property and displaying the values of the uh, data table. This is the process which we have to achieve. Right, let's move to the Uipath Studio, create new sequence. Now, actually we already created, we built a data table, right? From that process, I'm going to copy paste the data table and pasting here. See, now it pasted it here. See, it's showing one error, right? Argument data table compiler error encountered processing expression dt. dt is not declared. It may be inaccessible due to its protection level. What it's saying that actually after copying this activity from the previous process, we haven't created variable, right? So for that it showing as error. So now to remove this error, I am going to create a variable, its name as dt, right? Now everything's fine. Next, see, the main agenda of this process, this video is we need to add data row to the data table, right? For that, I'm adding one more activity. Its name as add data row from the data table. See here, add data row suggested available programming data table from data table. This activity I'm going to add. See, this is the activity, right? In this activity, we have three properties, that is array row, data row, data table, right? So by using these property, we are going to add actually uh, rows to the data table. As of now, we are adding rows by using the array row, this property. So next, in previous video, I forgot to tell one thing. See, that is plus button. By clicking on this plus button, we can add columns. How many we require, we can add. See, by clicking the plus button, new window will be popped up, that is new column. So give the new column name. As of now, example, I'm giving job it string, right? So by default data type is string, so I'm keeping as is, so I don't want to allow nulls. These properties we will give as per our requirement. As of now, I'm clicking on OK. See, by doing these steps, we can add column to the data table, right? So as of now, I don't want one more column. I'm removing this column. Okay. See, I'm giving the data table. Which data table to we need to add data row. So the data table name is dt. So I give data table name here. By using this property, we are adding, right? For this, actually we need to give. We need to add values by this format. in curly braces. So expand selection, expression editor, open expression editor, give here curly braces. Already we have 5 rows, right? So now I am adding 6th row by naming as June. 2 columns, right? Those 2 column values I have given here. Click on OK. Now no, there is no any error. By this way, I would like to add one more row. So for that, I'm copy pasting. Now I'm modifying these values 6 to 7 and June to July, right? As of now, there is no errors, right? See, in real time, we know we do not we there is no possibility to display the data table. So to mitigate that, we have to convert, right? Convert from the data table to string. For that, I'm going to add output data table, output data table activity, right? For this, we are going to already we discussed in previous video. So data table dt, the input is data table data type, and the output is in string format, right? For that, I'm creating a new variable to storing the those values of the data table. New variable that type is also string. So now I'm giving name as det string, right? So for displaying the output, I'm adding one more activity, uh, that one log message, right? Choose info and give variable here. I'm giving variable name, which one I would like to display. See, this is our process. Now check, there is no any error in this process. So now I am running this file by clicking on run file. Let's see what will be the output. The process executed successfully. Now check output. See, initially we have 5 rows, right? For clear understanding, I'm dragging up here. See, we have 2 columns, serial number and name, right? And already for existing data table has we have 5 rows, and we added 2 rows, right? That one 6 June 7 July, right? So those rows came. We achieved as expected. What output we would like to expect? We expected the output is seen, right? Thank you for watching this video.